Okay, in this example, given the following data, find the correlation coefficient R and round your answer to the thousands. Okay, so we're going to put our data into Excel. You don't need to put the X and Y on there unless you just want to. 6.3, 4.4, 5.2, 1, 8.2, 8.4, 3.2, 9.3, 7.4, 6.6. Double check it because I'm not very good at typing in numbers. Okay, 4.3, 8.1, 9.2, 3, 4.5, 7.1, 8.2, 5.7, 9, 3.2. Double check it again. Okay. Now we want the correlation coefficient. And how we do that is we type equals CORREL. Have to have the equals there. It has to be spelled like you see it. Case doesn't matter. Beginning parentheses. Now it's asking for array 1. And you can pick either column, but this is where our numbers are at. So my first set is from A1 to A10. So A1 colon A10. So those are my X values. Then I'll do a comma, and I'll do my Y values. B1 colon B10. Now you would adjust this however many numbers you had. If you put the numbers from A1 down to A15, you do A1 colon A15. And then you press enter. And if I expand that out, you see the decimal places here. By the way, it's very handy for rounding. If it said round to 4 decimal places, you come up here, and I never get this right on which one to do. Which one is this? Increase, decrease decimals. If I take it down to 4 decimal places, it rounds for me. So that'll be 0.0592 is our answer.